managing files in 2026, understanding permissions in SharePoint is really important. It controls who can view, edit, or manage your content. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to the site or document library where you want to manage permissions. Next, click the Settings gear icon and choose Site Permissions or Manage Access. Here you'll see who already has access to your site, folders, or files. Now click Grant Access and enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. Then choose whether they can view, edit, or fully control the content depending on what you allow. You can also break inheritance if you want to set different permissions for specific folders or files. If needed, you can remove users or update their access anytime to keep things secure. So that's how you can use SharePoint permissions in 2026. It helps you keep your data safe and properly controlled. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching. Hey.